How to publish a report to the Power BI online service and set up the dataset. Prerequisites for publishing your report to the Power BI online service include being connected to the Cisco AnyConnect admin VPN, having a completed report, and having a Power BI premium workspace in the online service. When you request to be onboarded to Power BI, a premium workspace is created for your use. We have the onboarding request link along with videos to help you create your report in the description below. Let's say we have this report that was created using ROSI-REPLICA data, which is a near real-time read-only copy of the ROSI production data. Once we are happy with our report, we can go into the Home tab and select Publish. This will prompt us to save a local copy of the report, and then we will select the workspace we want to publish it to. You will notice that one of the options is My Workspace. However, because this is not a premium workspace, you won't be able to share the report with other users. So let's select a premium workspace and then click on Select. Give it a couple of minutes to load, and once it is published, you can either click on this link to go directly to the report, or you can go to the Power BI online service at app.powerbi.com/home. In the online service, we can click on Workspaces and then search for the workspace we just published our report to. You'll notice that there are two components to your report. The dataset holds the underlying data of your report, so we will need to configure the dataset. To do this, begin by clicking on the three dots and then select Settings. In the Configuration window, if we scroll down, we can see the gateway connection. Since we are using ROSI-REPLICA for our report, we will map it to ROSI-REPLICA and then select Apply. Doing this will automatically set up the data source credentials. If you are using data from another source, such as a SharePoint Excel spreadsheet, a gateway isn't required. So instead, you will set up your data source credentials. Finally, you can set up a dataset refresh to keep your data updated. We're going to begin by enabling scheduled refresh, and then we will choose the frequency of our refresh. I'm going to select daily. I'll leave the time zone as default and then select a time. If you would like your data to be refreshed multiple times in a day, you can add another time. Finally, if your refresh fails, an email is sent to the dataset owner by default. However, you can change this to add additional contacts as well. And that's it. If we go back to the workspace, we should be able to view our report now. Next steps include learning how to share your report with other users and trying out other additional features, all of which can be found in the Power BI toolbox.